If your income is fixed, meaning it doesn't go up when prices do, you already know the feeling. Every time you go to the grocery store, things cost a little more. But your Social Security check, your pension, your retirement income, that stays the same. This isn't about cutting out everything you enjoy. It's not about clipping 100 coupons or living in fear of every purchase. It's about building a system, a real, practical system that makes your fixed income go further without making your life smaller. In this video, I'm sharing 7 practical budgeting strategies specifically designed for people living on Social Security, a pension, or any fixed retirement income. These aren't generic tips you've heard 100 times. These are built specifically for your situation. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Know your true fixed income, not just your Social Security check. A lot of people budget based only on their Social Security deposit. But your true income might include a pension, interest from savings, a small part-time income, or required withdrawals from a retirement account. Add every source together to get your real, complete monthly number. This is the foundation everything else in this video builds on, and most budgeting mistakes start right here with an incomplete picture. Tip number 2. Split your spending into 2 clear categories: needs and flexible spending. Your housing, your utilities, your insurance, your medications, these are largely fixed, but groceries, entertainment, and dining out, that's where you actually have room to adjust. The key insight here, most people try to cut their fixed costs first, which is the hardest place to find savings. Instead, focus your energy on the flexible category. That's where small, manageable changes add up the fastest without feeling like a sacrifice. Tip number 3, and this one is specific to fixed income living. Match your spending rhythm to your payment schedule. Social Security typically arrives on a set day each month. Pensions often do too, but bills don't always line up neatly with that schedule, and that mismatch is one of the biggest causes of financial stress for retirees. The moment your deposit arrives, pay your fixed needs immediately: rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, medications. This removes the anxiety of wondering if the money will be there later in the month. Then, space out your flexible spending across the rest of the month rather than spending freely in the first week and feeling tight by the last week. Tip number 4. Find the silent drains in your budget, the small recurring charges that quietly add up. Streaming services you forgot about, a magazine subscription you don't read anymore, an app you tried once and never canceled. These small charges feel insignificant individually, but together they can quietly take $50, $100, even $200 a month out of your budget. Set aside 15 minutes this week. Go through your bank or credit card statement from the last 2 months. Circle anything you don't clearly recognize or actively use. This single step often finds more savings than any amount of grocery coupon clipping. Tip number 5. Take full advantage of senior-specific discounts. Most people only use a fraction of what's available. Many grocery stores offer a senior discount day, often a specific weekday with 5 to 10% off your total purchase. Many pharmacies, public transit systems, and even some restaurants and movie theaters offer reduced rates that aren't always advertised clearly. The simplest tip here? Just ask. Do you have a senior discount? This one habit alone can save real money every single month, and it costs nothing to ask. Tip number 6. Build a small buffer fund, even if it feels too small to matter. On a fixed income, an unexpected expense, a car repair, a higher than usual heating bill, a medical copay, can throw off your entire month. A buffer fund is your protection against that. Even $20 a month set aside automatically builds real protection over a year. The goal isn't to get rich, it's to make sure one unexpected bill doesn't force you into debt or panic. If your bank allows automatic transfers, Set this up once and let it run quietly in the background. You won't even notice it happening, but you'll notice it being there when you need it. Tip number 7. Review your full budget every 90 days, not just once a year. Prices change, your needs change, Medicare premiums adjust. A budget you built a year ago may not accurately reflect your life today. Every 3 months, take 30 minutes to revisit your numbers. Are your fixed needs still accurate? Has anything in your flexible spending crept up without you noticing? Is your buffer fund growing the way you planned? This small habit, just 4 times a year, keeps your budget accurate and keeps you in control, instead of being surprised by your own numbers later. 7 budgeting tips for fixed income living. Know your true monthly income. Separate needs from flexible spending. Match spending to your payment schedule. Audit subscriptions and silent drains. Use every senior discount available. Build a small, consistent buffer fund. Review your budget every 90 days. A fixed income doesn't mean a fixed quality of life. With the right system, not restriction, but structure, you can feel confident about your money every single month, not just hopeful. If this video gave you a clear, practical place to start, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more retirees find real, useful budgeting advice instead of generic tips that don't fit their life. And if you want more honest, practical videos about retirement income, Medicare, and financial confidence, subscribe to MoneyQuill. We're here every week with content made specifically for this stage of life. Take care of yourself and your budget.